Sulaja Firodia and I'm the CEO of Kinetic Group Pune. Today the world is grappling with the coronavirus. On one hand we are concerned how to stop the spread of this virus. On the other hand we are also worried that once the lockdown is lifted and we go back to our offices, our factories and our colleges, whether the environment and the premises that we will work in will be safe, whether it will continue to carry the risk of infection spreading again, whether it will be hygienic. And all these questions are worrying all of us. So there's a need to find solutions which will create a disinfected, a sanitized and safe environment for all of us today and for tomorrow. So towards these efforts of our government, Kinetic Green is very happy to produce and offer to all of you a range of 3 beautiful products which are really meant to directly disinfect and sanitize the indoors as well as outdoor environment that we will operate in. These products are very innovative. They're developed by Kinetic with full indigenous technology and they'll be available all across the country. We're very happy to present the Kinetic e-fogger, the first product. In this e-fogger, a fogging machine or a fogging equipment is mounted on the electric 3-wheeler developed by Kinetic. And with this fogging equipment, the driver can operate the entire vehicle through even small narrow lanes of the slums or the old city areas, or on the streets, in a garden, in our factories, in any kind of premises, and use the fogging disinfectants to clear the environment of any pollutants, microorganisms and any infective organisms. The fogging medium that we use also is water based. Therefore, the fogging itself is green and safe for the humans. In addition, when you use an electric 3-wheeler of Kinetic, the vehicle itself does not create any pollution. It has no sound pollution or air pollution and is fit to use any time of the day in any part of the country. It is safe, it is silent and it is green. So this green solution of fogging is something that we feel will be very useful for our municipal corporations to sanitize and disinfect the entire city and its roads, especially areas like the slums. Dharavi slums is a big area of concern for the government right now. Our vehicles can move in these lanes and create a disinfected environment. We've also created a sprayer, an e-sprayer. Similar to the fogger, a spraying equipment is mounted on our electric 3-wheeler. It can be used very effectively to spray a disinfectant at various premises, on the staircases, in the common areas, on the parking areas, on the railings, and once again create an infection-free environment. So both of these products will be useful for outdoor areas, in the public places as well as in all kinds of premises, and I think will create a lot of confidence for people to go back to work and to feel safe in working in the environment at these premises. The third product we have created is for indoor use. It's a UV based sanitizer. We are using UVGI technology or UV ultraviolet C rays indoor of a room, say a hospital room or a hotel room, or an office or a conference room or even a car or a bus can be disinfected and sanitized fully within minutes and made fit for reuse again. I think this also is a very useful product and can really help to create a clean environment within premises, and we would like to really make it available wherever there's a need for reusing of different rooms by different people and making it fit for continuous usage. The sanitizing process takes only a few minutes, so it's very convenient to use. It can also be carried by hand. So these are the 3 products that we are bringing. It's really a contribution by Kinetic Group to this effort that is being made in our country and in the world to fight the coronavirus. We are an innovative company, innovative group. We have always been, and therefore the innovative solutions we are sure will really help and go a long way in all of us together battling the corona infection, overcoming this pandemic, and also carrying the feeling of safety and confidence in our hearts as we try to go back to our normal lives. So once again, thank you very much for listening to us, and we are with you in this battle, and all the best to all of us in India, and let's overcome this virus together. Thank you very much.